si alguien me roba, pues nadie va a saber que me robaron, you know?
Dude, her head's too big.
Gordito, how are you, gorda? So a while back, tiré mi ropa.
I have a big ass forehead.
Ask me what I'm doing today. Actually, don't even ask me, I'll tell you. So, a while back, I decided to throw away the majority of my clothes. Y pues ahora, I have to do some shopping. You know how they say that that clothes holds energy? Yeah, well, I decided I didn't want that energy no longer. So, yeah, I threw away my clothes. And, well, lately, I feel like I've been wearing the same clothes over and over again. And I kept some stuff. Of course, because then right now I would be naked. But yeah, so I came out here to the Vacaville outlets to hopefully find some clothes. I'm a little bit picky when it comes to pants and stuff. I don't even know what size I am. It's so weird. I also feel kind of weird because I came out here on my own. So like, si alguien me roba, pues nadie va a saber que me robaron, you know? Tengo un poquito de miedo to go outside by myself. If you ask me how it's going, I'm going to tell you it's going terrible. No jeans have made me feel like they're for me. The back always, like, siempre tiene su, what is it called? Like the little thing, the gap in the back. The majority of them are having that effect, and I hate it. It makes me feel like the jeans don't fit. And I like hiking my jeans up hella high, so that's an issue of mine. But that's just something that makes me feel comfortable. Cachetes. ¿Por qué lloras? So we decided that we're gonna go to the flea market. Mama, how are you doing? Say hi. Yeah, we don't know why we're gonna go, but she got a little fussy with us, so I think she's probably going to fall asleep as we're walking. But we'll see. Auntie Duty's over here. We need to go in the toy stuff. Maybe. Valeria, what are you gonna buy me?
Good morning.
Good morning.
How old is your baby?
7 months. Yeah. Thank you. I'm her aunt though. She's not my child.
Her head's too big. No pasó. No pasó.
Which one do you want for her?
This is too big for her.
What about that one? A mí me gusta.
Like that.
How are we gonna put it on her?
Like that. It's already on her. Wait, I think her head's too big. Dude, her head's too big.
Oh my god.
Dude, no, her head is too big. No le baja. No le baja.
We're getting some frutita.
Chango bien chilosito, dulce, acidito, lo que gustes. Es chiquita.
¿Sí?
Se miraba.
Oh.
I like to walk.
Me too. Hey, and it was for free.
You see?
We got her little gorrita. And then we also got a little piano for her. So hopefully she likes it. Okay, so I put my hair up because it's too hot. Try it. This is probably not even her age. It says 1+. I'm over here buying her something she doesn't understand yet. I'm sorry, Mama. She's probably gonna want to eat it before she plays with it. Okay, so we're done cooking. Made this, her plate as well, and then I don't know what Noemi's eating. She's eating a spoon. Sorry, Mama. Probably give her some fruit or yogurt. Can I have this? Can I have it, please? You need to eat your banana. Who's next to me? Oh my god.
We'll have 2 hits out here on the 2X Monster Truck Live track. So wow, you got there. We'll get a bye in round number. Competitor is Roaring Rux.
Ready?
All right, everybody have some fun.
I don't like roller coasters, and I got on without knowing I was gonna feel it.
I have a big ass forehead.
Ahí vienen los gordos, mira. Ahí vienen. Chunky. Mira, y ni dicen nada. Está bien bonito, mira, estás bien hermoso. Oh my god, look at him. Ah, estás bien gordito. El perrito estaba bien hermoso, ¿no? ¿Lo miraron?
Está bien chulo, parece
Está bien cute. Say hi.
Hola, hi, how are you?
We're walking in the ghetto. Okay, so everybody's home.
What?
Hi, Mom. Say hi. Guys, say queso. Say hello. Noemi, Mama, say hi. So we got some pizza.
Yes.
Como que sí me quiere gustar así poquito.
Mi gordito, how are you, gordo? Guys, the boo. That's cute. You have him like a little baby. Alright, so this little one decided that we're gonna go out and eat.
So she's paying.
No, I'm not paying. You told me I'm.
No.
You invited me.
And you're gonna get just the orange juice, and that's all you're getting.
I'm paying for my meal. You pay for yours.
Okay, that works.
That's messed up. How are you gonna invite me and then you're expecting me to pay?
China. you ever
Mejor
heard-
me quedo aquí en el carro. Tú come. Yo ya me comí
No,
un
'cause
oatmeal.
you're my partner.
I'm your sister.
You're my partner in crime.
Eso sí.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna go eat at Black Bear and she's paying.
That time.
Cause she loves me. Okay, let's go. Alright, show me yours. That looks
Why
good.
your camera backwards?
Okay, Valeria, how was your experience?
10 out of 10.
I agree with you. I didn't finish my orange juice. She didn't let me get a to-go cup to bring my orange juice. I brought my food though. And I hope I do eat
Well,
it.
she's not gonna eat. It's gonna be in the fridge.